It's moving at nearly 135,000 miles per hour, an unimaginable speed for an object drifting between the stars. The discovery of the interstellar visitor, now designated 3I Atlas, has ignited global attention after a joint statement from Harvard researchers and NASA's Planetary Science Division confirmed something extraordinary. Its trajectory is not simply passing through our solar system, it is set to intersect with the orbit of Mars. Only the third interstellar object ever detected, this one carries far more alarming implications. For the first time in history, astronomers are watching an object from beyond our star system heading toward a direct planetary collision. From the moment Atlas observatories first detected its brightness and unusual trajectory, astronomers knew this was different. Its inbound path from deep interstellar space showed that it was not gravitationally bound to our Sun. As more data was collected, orbital simulations became clearer and clearer. Every calculation confirmed the same unsettling reality. 3I Atlas is locked on a collision course with Mars. And unlike distant predictions measured in centuries or millennia, this impact is expected within just a few years. The size of 3I Atlas only adds to the sense of urgency. Early measurements suggest it is substantially larger than either of the previous interstellar visitors, Oumuamua and 2I Borisov. Estimates put its diameter at several kilometers, comparable to the asteroids believed to have caused mass extinctions on Earth. Unlike smaller comets that burn harmlessly in planetary atmospheres, this object is massive enough to strike with devastating consequences. Mars has endured huge impacts in its ancient past, scars of which are still visible in its craters and basins. But never before has humanity known in advance that another such impact is coming. The Harvard astrophysics team called the alignment a vanishingly rare event. Interstellar objects are scarce, and for one to not only cross into our solar system, but collide with a planet is almost impossible by probability. Yet the models leave little room for doubt. NASA's planetary defense experts, normally focused on Earth, have confirmed the findings with their own simulations. Together, their joint announcement underscored the seriousness of the discovery. The impact velocity, amplified by interstellar speed, will release energy on a staggering scale. Depending on where it strikes, the collision could excavate a crater hundreds of kilometers wide and eject vast amounts of material into space. Some debris may form temporary rings around Mars, while other fragments could escape into new orbits around the Sun. Mars's thin atmosphere offers no real protection, ensuring the surface will bear the full force of the strike. What makes this even more remarkable is the timing. Humanity is actively planning for future missions to Mars, from robotic explorers to human landings. Though the timeline of impact may not directly overlap with the earliest crewed expeditions, the collision could alter the Martian environment in unpredictable ways, shaping climate, triggering seismic activity, and resurfacing vast regions. Rovers and orbiters already on Mars may become silent witnesses to one of the most extraordinary spectacles ever recorded. Beyond science, the symbolic impact on human imagination is profound. Mars has long been a symbol of exploration, mystery, and possibility. The confirmation that it is about to be struck by a massive object from another star system reframes our relationship with the red planet. For the first time, human ambition and cosmic forces are intersecting in a way that feels almost scripted by the universe itself. The event also forces new questions about planetary defense. For decades, Earth has been the focus of monitoring systems designed to detect threatening asteroids. Now, the impending strike on Mars challenges us to think more broadly. Could humanity one day develop the capability to protect not just Earth but its neighboring worlds as well? Scientists are already preparing ambitious proposals to study the object before it collides. If a spacecraft could intercept 3I Atlas en route, we might gain an unprecedented sample of interstellar material, matter forged in environments far beyond our Sun. The knowledge gained could help us understand planetary formation and the spread of organic molecules across the galaxy. But every calculation reaffirms the same truth. this collision is inevitable. Unlike smaller comets whose trajectories shift due to solar heating, 3I Atlas is too massive for such forces to alter its course. The question is not if, but exactly when and where it will strike. The anticipation surrounding the event is reshaping research priorities worldwide. Missions may be reoriented to capture data, orbiters repositioned to survive debris clouds, and telescopes coordinated globally to track the approach. Scientists speak of this as a once-in-civilization opportunity, an interstellar impact that will be observed in real time with every instrument available. The collision will not only alter Mars's surface but may seed it with exotic materials never before encountered in our solar system. Alien chemistry preserved within 3I Atlas could blend with Martian geology, providing a natural experiment in panspermia, the theory that life's building blocks can migrate across star systems. The implications reach far beyond geology, touching on biology, philosophy, and the very question of life's universality. For robotic explorers already on Mars, this event could redefine their missions. Rovers like Perseverance may capture seismic aftershocks or record dust clouds rising into the atmosphere. Orbiters could witness the brilliant flash of impact and track the evolving plume from above. Engineers are already discussing how to safeguard instruments while maximizing observation. The public, too, will be brought into the moment. Proposals are emerging for live broadcasts of the collision, turning it into a global spectacle. Just as past generations gathered to watch lunar landings, future audiences may watch Mars transformed in real time by an interstellar strike. The emotional weight of seeing another planet reshaped before our eyes will be unlike anything humanity has experienced. While the event brings relief that Earth is not the target, it also serves as a humbling reminder of cosmic vulnerability. Our solar system is not a closed, quiet neighborhood. It is exposed to visitors from unimaginable distances, and sometimes those visitors bring chaos. The arrival of 3I Atlas forces us to reconsider assumptions about how often such events occur and what risks they may one day pose to Earth. Ultimately, the impending collision is both catastrophic and invaluable. Catastrophic for Mars, which will bear the brunt of the impact, but invaluable for science, which will gain insight into planetary evolution, interstellar chemistry, and the dynamics of high-speed collisions. For humanity, it is a reminder of our fragile place in the cosmos, a species watching from afar as the universe writes one of its rarest stories across the surface of a neighboring world. Every day, 3I Atlas races closer. And every day the anticipation grows. Soon the red planet will be struck by a traveler from beyond the stars, and when it happens, humanity will be watching, witness to an event that will echo in science, history, and imagination for generations to come. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments what you think about 3I Atlas colliding with Mars.